If you find yourself logged out of your Netflix account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these simple steps to regain access. Step 1. Go to the Netflix login page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Netflix login page. This is where you will start the process of recovering your account. Step 2. Click on Need Help. On the login page, look for the Need Help link. Click on it to access the account recovery options available to you. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Once you are on the help page, find and click on the Forgot Password option. This will prompt Netflix to guide you through the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be asked to enter the email address associated with your Netflix account. Make sure to input the correct email so that you can receive the reset link. Step 5. Check your email for the reset link. After submitting your email, check your inbox for an email from Netflix containing a password reset link. Click on the link and follow the instructions to create a new password. Once you have successfully reset your login credentials, you should be able to access your Netflix account without any issues. If you encounter further problems, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for additional assistance.